Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today it's just going to be a short tutorial video on how to remove obviously your keycap and swap out a switch if your keyboard has hot swappable switches. The keyboard I'm using is the MSI Forge, the GK310 MSI Forge. There is another video on my channel reviewing this keyboard. It only came out late last year. So for this video, what you'll need is obviously your keyboard, you'll need a keycap puller, and you'll need a switch tool, and then your replacement switch. These are 2-pin switches. Not sure who they're made by because MSI don't seem to list, so I don't know if they are a Chinese switch or they're MSI's own switch. So basically what you want to do for this is use this end, which you don't really need to do. You can just do it with your hand. Trying to do this while looking through a camera, it's pretty difficult. You'd basically pop this over your switch, angle it like that, and then give it a little pull. That removes your keycap. And as you can see, the switch is there underneath. Now what you want to do is grab this end, and at the top and bottom of the switch here, there's like a little plastic. You can see it on this one, like there, if it will focus. There's like little plastic sort of push tabs. You basically have to get these onto those tabs and then sort of squeeze it to release them. So I'll try and attempt to show you that now. So squeeze it, pull the switch. If it doesn't want to come out, just give it a little wiggle back and forth. Sometimes they can be a pain in the arse. Like that, there we go. That's the switch out. As you can see, 2-pin switch. And that's the socket for it there. As you can see, one of the pins, if the stupid camera would focus, which it's not going to, there you go. As you can see, one of the pins is higher up than the other one. So you can't mess it up, you can't put it in backwards or anything. So we'll take the switch, make sure the pins are the right way around, so the higher up one on the right, the lower down one on the left. Pop it in like so. Give it a push, and you hear it click. That's that key switch back in, and then obviously to put your keycap back on, it's just that cross. Goes onto the cross in the middle of the red switch there. So you just put that on, give it a push, and that's a keycap. I'll show you quickly once again, just for people who didn't understand it. So you get this end onto the top and bottom where the little plastic push sort of pins are. Give it a squeeze, give it a pull, and out comes your switch. And then, obviously, like I said, these are your 2 pins. Obviously, this big plastic sort of bit goes in the hole in the middle. And then, yeah, you can see there's like indentations on the motherboard here where the tool is supposed to go. And then obviously, once again, line the pins up, give it a push, you'll hear it click. That's the switch in. And then I will quickly just plug this in to show you that the switch is working. There we go. There you go, there's the switch working. And then obviously you would just pop on your keycap again. So there you go guys, that was just a quick tutorial on how to swap out hot swappable switches on the keyboard. There probably is, with different switches, different ways of doing it. These are just the switches for the MSI Forge. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a comment, like the video, so on and so forth. I did put a community post up the other day saying we'll only be doing content now on Wednesdays in the future, because I'm just running out of stuff to do. Like the bigger tech channels, like especially bigger like PC channels like LTT, like Jay's 2 cents, like Kyle from Bitwit, like Gamers Nexus. Obviously they all have sponsorships and they get stuff sent to them by like MSI and all the big PC sort of companies, whereas with me I've obviously got to buy parts to review, which sometimes means buying parts that I don't even need. So I'm going to have to start limiting videos to like once a week now, just so that I literally don't run out of like product to review, tutorials to do. Hopefully one day we make it big enough where companies start being like, hey, do you want to review this? But until that happens, it's obviously all on me. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Like I said, let me know if this video helps you. Leave a comment, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you wouldn't mind. Helps out a massive deal. So I will catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.